Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to edit footer in WordPress using Elementor. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the Elementor plugin on your WordPress. Okay. So if you don't have the Elementor plugin, what you need to do is to just go ahead and watch the tutorial because I already did the tutorial on how to add a Elementor on your WordPress. Okay, so let's just go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. So first of all, you need to open the admin panel of WordPress. Okay, so once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the template section at the left side of your screen. So once you've clicked on the template section, just go ahead and click on the published option at the upper side of the template page. Okay, so once you've clicked on the published option, what you need to do is to just go ahead and select footer. Okay, so you should see the footer section at the upper part of your screen. I think it is the seventh option. So for example, the first one is all, and then page section, then section, container section, global widget section, pop-up, header, and the footer section. So just go ahead and click on that. Then once you've done that, just go ahead and select the footer that you want to edit. Okay? And then once you've selected the footer that you want to edit, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the Edit with Elementor option at the lower part of the footer that you've selected. Okay, so now just go ahead and edit your footer, and that is how you edit footer in WordPress using Elementor. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.